How to find your key easily as a singer, even if you don't understand music theory. My name's Carrie Griffiths and I've been singing since 1999 and I've been teaching since 2003. I've sung in more than 30 countries. I've been performing since I was 8. I was a dancer as a child. I went into singing in my 20s and I have enjoyed and continue to enjoy a very, very fruitful career in music. I've taught as a voice coach since 2003 and I've taught as a music lecturer in colleges in London for 10 years. I no longer do that. I work exclusively for myself with my own private clients, and I also help people like you who are just finding your voice and using free tutorials as a way of understanding how your voice works. My mission is to reach 10,000 singers per day. I'm on the way to doing that. At the moment, I'm reaching about 15,000 per month, so there is some way to go. So if you'd like to help me reach other singers just like you, remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for yourself so that you get all of my future videos. It's pretty easy to find your key as a singer. So what is a key? A key is a set of notes within a certain scale or range. If we say scale, that's the easiest way to understand it. And I will describe what a scale is. So a scale is all of the notes within a certain range. So if I were to hit the notes of C major, this would be the notes. These would be the notes. So that's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And if I hit all of the notes within the key of C major, this is what it would sound like on the piano, electric piano. C, C, Now, I sing best in the key of A. So any notes around A, so that would be A major, A minor, okay? It doesn't matter whether they're A major or A minor. I sound best in songs that are written in that key. So why is it important to find your key? Well, if you're playing with different musicians a lot, so if you're performing or recording with different musicians, or if you go into a jam session situation, if you tell the musicians what key you would like the song to be played in, if they're good musicians, they can play that song in any key. Now, it might change depending on the song. Don't worry about that right now, but to find your own key and to know what your key is, it means that if you go into a writing situation with other musicians and with other composers and songwriters, if you tell them that your key is C, so that could mean C major or C minor, or if I tell them that my key is A, it could be A major or A minor, then they will write the songs that make your voice sound best. Now, if you don't know what your key is and you start either writing songs or you go to choose songs that are in the wrong key, it means you're going to struggle to hit some of the notes. I have had students, particularly in college and in youth clubs when I used to do that kind of work, that have written songs where the notes are either too low or too high for them. They've written those songs themselves, so they're not giving the best of their voice. But if you go into a collaborative situation where you're writing or performing with other musicians, then it's good to know what your key is so that you're always giving your best, not only as a writer, but also as a musician, as a creative musician, and as a singer, and as a performer. So to talk about range just a little bit, your range is the notes that you can sing comfortably from low to high without straining your voice. So you may have heard that someone like Mariah Carey has a 5-octave range. What that means is that she can sing notes within 5 octaves. So let's say that would be A to A. It would be all of these notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be. that she could sing all of those notes. If your range is quite small, it really doesn't matter. Stick to songs that you find comfortable and that are in the right key for you. So your voice sounds best and it doesn't go too high or too low and strain your voice. So to find your key, find 3 contrasting songs. So you'd want a slow song, an upbeat song, and something that's somewhere in the middle. And all of those songs should cover your lower range, mid-range, and high range. So you should be singing within that song low notes, high notes, and mid-range notes, and they should all be comfortable for you without straining your voice. Then simply go to your search engine and type in what is the original key of such and such songs. And of course you want to make sure that when you're singing along to the original versions, not the versions where the key has been changed, and not cover versions where the key has been changed. So you want to go to find the original version of 3 songs, type into your search engine what is the original key, and then the search engine should tell you. Now it may be that you have majors and minors, and it might be that you have C and C minor, and you may also have A minor and A major. It doesn't matter because A minor is the relative key to C major. If that has blown your mind, don't worry, you don't need to know that, okay? Unless you're interested in music theory and you're going to learn music theory. The other thing you can do is if you're around musicians who know music theory and know what they're talking about, you can just ask them and they should be able to tell you. If not, they will be able to tell you the keys of the 3 songs that you find comfortable to sing in. So I hope that helps. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. There are ad-free tutorials inside Singing Genius Club. Singing Genius is my membership where you can find ad-free tutorials, masterclasses, exclusive members only tutorials that you won't find anywhere else. You also won't find the masterclasses anywhere else. I do have 5-day singing challenges that when they expire from YouTube, they are inside Singing Genius Club. The next upcoming 5-day challenge will be vocal control. That will only be on YouTube for 2 weeks. Once it leaves YouTube, it will only be available inside Singing Genius Club or as a standalone course. But if you join Singing Genius Club, you will get all of the other benefits plus live Q&As, regular live question and answer sessions with me where you can ask me anything. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video or in Singing Genius Club. If you're interested, just go to the pinned comment or to the description and click that link there and I'll see you inside. Stay hydrated. Ciao!